Hi friends, this is your Swasdev Rao. In this video, I would like to explain about the concept of leasing. What is leasing? Leasing is a contract or an agreement between the owner of asset and the user of asset to use the asset for a specific period of time. You can see here the owner transfers the asset to the user under lease agreement. The owner of asset is known as leaser. The user of asset is known as leasee. There are various advantages. Compare with purchasing, these are the advantages. Asset can be easily acquisition, less spending funds. There are low risk and chance to cost saving. Sometimes there are tax benefits and it is convenient and flexible agreement. Next, types of leasing. Types of lease. There are various types. First one, operating lease. Operating lease is a short-term and cancelable lease contract. The leasee agrees to make periodic payments, that is lease rents, to the leaser for use an asset. Second, financial lease. Financial lease is a long-term and non-cancelable lease contract. All the risks and rewards transfer incidental to the leasee except the title of ownership. Third type, sale and lease back. Under this form of lease agreement, the owner of asset sell it to a lease company, sell it to a leasing company that leases it back to the owner. The prime motive behind sale and lease back is to release funds blocked in the investments. You can see owners sell the asset and lease it back from the leasing company. Fourth one, direct lease. Here the leasee acquires assets from manufacturer on lease for the purpose of give it on sublease to the leasing company. You can see in diagram. There are subtypes of direct lease: bipartitized lease and tripartitized lease. Bipartitized lease, it contains lease, contains leasee and another supplier cum leaser, two parties. In triparty, there are three parties involved. Fifth, leveraged lease. It is also known as third party lease. Under this agreement, the leaser borrows funds from the lender and himself acts as the owner of asset. The lender has the right to recover his or her funds from the sale of leased asset. Here you can find in the diagram, lender provide funds to the owner of asset, owner's asset lease it to the leasee. If the owner of asset failed to repay the amount, lender has a right to recover by selling the asset. I hope that you can understand. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this video and forward to your friends. Hi friends, this is your Swasdev Rao. In this video I would like